Sir, I received an encrypted transmission from an untraceable source. It claims that Tosh here was part of a classified operation called Project Shadowblade. They used Jorium and Terrazine to enhance ghost powers.
It's true. We are called Spectres. Next generation ghosts.
And you were gonna tell me all this when?
We all have our secrets, Mr. Rena. Doesn't mean I'm any threat to you.
Maybe not. But whoever sent this message could be. Matt, any way to verify the transmission?
No, sir. But it does end with, "I'll be in touch soon."
It's Minsk, trying to turn us against each other. Don't let him.
I'll let it lie for now. At least till I find out who sent this transmission. But I'll be keeping an eye on you, Tosh.
You can try. Still don't trust me, brother. Until you decide, ain't nothing to discuss.
That Tosh is a whack job, Jimmy. Spends all his time muttering and playing around with those damn dolls of his.
Well, I need someone to balance out your sophistication and good manners.
The guy ain't riding ahead, brother. I can appreciate some good honest craziness. But that guy, he's got something broke inside.
I repeat, death toll is in the thousands. A Dominion weapons plant exploded hours ago, causing a chain reaction that has taken out several housing complexes in this working-class neighborhood. Dominion security forces claim it was an act of terror by the notorious Jim Raynor, but our own investigations suggest that the plant must have been infiltrated by forces with sophisticated stealth technologies. It begs the question, could some of the Dominion's ghost operatives have gone rogue? For UNN, this is Kate Lockwell reporting from the core world, Nephor 2.
I've run a few tests on the Terrazine gas like you asked. It's clearly related to Vespene gas, but there are some very exotic organics added into the mix.
Any guesses what it's used for?
Well, it would definitely affect brain chemistry, so it could be used as some kind of drug or stimulant, I suppose.
Drugs, huh? That's just wonderful. What do you make of that encrypted message, Matt?
I honestly don't know, sir. If Tosh really is one of these Spectres, it's clear Mengsk would try to ruin your partnership. But Tosh isn't telling us everything. If we're going to win this revolution...
I know. We have to be sure of our allies.
We've received reports of a new Dominion salvage operation on Tarsonis. They're running a large number of supply trains with minimal security. If we intercept the trains and liberate their contents before they can be shipped off-world, we could make a serious profit.
Never thought we'd be back to this graveyard again. What have we got, Matt?
The Dominion's restored power to the old rail network. They're using the trains to move salvage to a central processing station. Our informants say the Dominion's found something unusually valuable, and they're transporting it to the processing station today. It's on one of these trains, but unfortunately they're all scan shielded, so we can't tell which one. We'll have to hit as many as we can and hope we get lucky.
Hope we get lucky? That ain't the usual Matt Horner plan.
You got a better one, sir. I'm all ears.
It's all good, Matt. You sold me. Well, let's go rob ourselves some trains. Old Tychus is gonna love this one.
Bad news?
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready.
Sir, it turns out there are a few Confederate vehicles in the hills the Dominion haven't salvaged yet.
Diamondbacks. Man, I didn't think they made it past prototyping. Their rail guns will be great for stopping those trains. No pun intended. I'll upload their schematics to our factory network.
There may be other vehicles around that we can commandeer. We should keep our eyes open.
SCV ready.
How devious. At the ready. Excellent. Of course.
SCV ready.
Victory is ours. I like it. On the move.
SCV ready.
What's the plan? My pleasure.
In the rear. SCV ready. Huh? What's going on? Well, Buttermouth. SCV ready. You're the boss.
Go on. What's on your mind? How devious.
SCV ready.
Of course.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
On the move.
SCV ready.
Additional supply depots required.
SCV ready. Sure thing. Yeah. Yeah, whatever. I'm going.
I like the way you think. Victory is ours. I like it. My pleasure. Devious. On the move.
Go!
Excellent work, sir. We can utilize the train's scrap payload to build more units.
Insufficient Vespene gas. Not enough minerals.
What? Of course. Excellent. Of course.
SCV ready.
How devious. I like it.
Armed and ready.
Victory is ours. Go on. At the ready. What needs killing? Excellent.
Gangway, coming through.
Yep.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Check it out, Jimmy. Dominion started sending escorts to protect the trains.
It's your dime.
What's the plan? What needs killing?
SCV ready.
Looks like we found all the Confederate Diamondbacks, sir. This should really help out against the trains.
SCV ready. In the rear with the gear. Woo-hoo. Bad news. Sure thing.
Get me out of here.
SCV ready.
Victory is ours.
Armed and ready.
What needs killing?
SCV ready.
Excellent. I like it. My pleasure.
Gangway coming through. Ah! You scared me! SCV ready.
What needs killing?
Huh?
Commander, I'm picking up increased comm traffic from the Dominion. Sounds like they're planning to attack our base. We better be ready.
Who wants some?
Victory is ours. How devious.
SCV ready.
On the move.
Base is under attack.
Excellent. I like it.
SCV ready.
What needs killing?
A train is exiting the southern tunnel.
SCV ready.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
In the rear with the gear. Move it.
Not enough minerals.
Go on. On the move. How devious. My pleasure. Excellent. I like it. What needs killing? Of course. Victory is ours.
The Dominion are constructing a series of bunkers to protect the tracks. Be careful.
What's on your mind? Excellent.
SCV ready. SCV
What
ready.
needs killing?
Huh? It's your dime. SCV ready.
Our SCVs are under attack.
Yeah.
At the ready.
SCV ready.
On the move. My pleasure. Victory is ours.
Upgrade complete.
Of course.
SCV ready.
How devious. I like it.
SCV ready.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Go on.
SCV ready.
Get me out of here. What needs killing?
SCV ready.
What's the plan?
What's going on? SCV ready. Armed and ready.
I like it.
SCV ready.
How devious. Excellent.
This better be good. SCV ready.
Gangway, coming through.
What's going on? Roger. Move it.
Go, go, go!
Upgrade complete.
In the rear with the bad news.
We could use
Get
some
me
help
out of here. I'm waiting.
Want a meeting?
What needs killing? Victory is ours.
SCV ready.
Vespine geyser exhausted.
Who wants some?
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
I'm going. SCV ready. SCV ready.
What needs killing? My pleasure. What's the plan? Up cool. I'm waiting.
SCV ready.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Devious. I like it. Go on. What's on your mind? Victory is ours. What needs killing?
Sir, I'm detecting Dominion kill teams patrolling the tracks with large groups of marauders. I'll mark their location with a red warning symbol. Still, you should try to avoid them.
My pleasure. On the move. My pleasure. How devious. I like it. Victory is what needs killing.
Been waiting on you.
Go on. Excellent. Of course.
Add-on complete.
On the move.
Mineral field completed. A train is coming through the western tunnel.
The Dominion are boosting their train speed somehow. You'll need to use Diamondbacks to catch them.
My pleasure. I like it. What's the plan?
You gonna give me orders?
I'm waiting. Victory is ours. What needs killing? Excellent.
Gangway, coming through.
I'm going. Go ahead. In the rear with the... What's going on? Bad news?
Who wants some?
At the ready. On the move.
Big job.
What needs killing? I like it.
Huh? Bad news?
Get me out of here. Go on. What's on your mind? What needs killing? Huh. Of course.
train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
What's the plan? What needs killing? My pleasure. Victory is ours. Not devious. Excellent. Of course. At the ready. I like it.
Go ahead. Gotcha. You're the boss.
What needs killing? I'm waiting.
Vespine Geyser exhausted.
Ah! You scared me!
Vespine Geyser exhausted.
What needs killing? On the move. I like it. Of course.
Mineral field depleted.
Excellent. My pleasure. I like it. On the move. Of course. Victory is ours. Excellent. Of course. What needs killing? How devious. I like it.
Mineral field depleted. A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Looks like the Dominion ran out of whatever they were juicing the trains with. They're putting out bigger escorts, though. We better watch ourselves.
What? Of course. I'm waiting.
Mineral field depleted.
What needs killing? Victory is ours. How devious. I like it.
Add-on complete.
My pleasure. On the move.
Mineral field depleted.
My pleasure. Get me out of here.
Sir, we're detecting electrical activity in the wreckage.
Now let's see what they were so fired up to get their hands on.
Adjutant 23-46 online. System recording. New Gettysburg Defense Initiative. Submit access codes.
Well, I'll be. It's an old Confederate adjutant. What intel's so important they'd go and dig her up to recover it?